Hello everyone. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the architecture of Power BI. In this video, we will unravel the integrate layers that make up the backbone of Power BI's robust data analytics and visualization capabilities. Let's dive deep into the architecture and understand the role of each component. The first one in the list is data sources. Data sources encompass the multitude of locations from which Power BI can extract and analyze the data. These can range from databases, files, web services to cloud-based platforms. Data sources serves as a foundation of Power BI's analytical journey, providing the raw material necessary for generating the insights and visualizations. The next one in the list is Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop serves as the primary tool for creating and designing the reports and dashboards. It provides a rich set of features for data modeling, visualization, and analysis. Power BI Desktop acts as a starting point for the data exploration and report creation, offering a user-friendly environment for users to connect to data sources, transform data, and design compelling visualizations. The next one in the list is Power Query. Power Query is a data transformation tool within Power BI that allows the users to connect to, transform, and clean the data from various sources. Power Query plays a crucial role in the data preparation, enabling the users to cleanse and shape their data before loading into the data model for analysis. The next one in the list is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is an in-memory data modeling tool within the Power BI that allows the users to create complex relationships between different tables and perform the complex calculations using text. Power Pivot enables the users to build sophisticated data models, define the calculated columns and measures, and also perform the advanced analysis on their data. The next one in the list is data model. The data model is the underlying structure that organizes and relates to the imported data into the Power BI. It consists of tables, relationships, and calculated columns and measures. The data model serves as the backbone of the Power BI's analytical capabilities, providing a unified view of the data for analysis and visualization. The next one in the list is Power BI Service. Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform where the users can publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards. Power BI services extend the capabilities of Power BI Desktop by providing the features for sharing and collaboration and distribution of reports and dashboards to a broader audience. The next one in the list is Power BI Gateway. Power BI Gateway is a bridge that connects on-premises data sources to Power BI services, allowing the users to refresh their data from local sources. Power BI Gateway ensures that Power BI reports and dashboards have access to up-to-date data from on-premises sources, enabling the users to make informed decisions based on real-time information. The next one in the list is data refresh. Data refresh is the process of updating data in Power BI reports and dashboards to reflect the changes in the underlying data sources. Data refresh ensures that Power BI reports and dashboards always contain the latest information, enabling the users to make decisions based on real-time data. The next one in the list is Power BI mobile apps. Power BI mobile apps allows users to access and interact with Power BI content on their mobile devices, including smartphones and tablets. Power BI mobile apps enables users to stay connected to their data and make data-driven decisions on the go, whether it's in office, at home, or on road. The next one in the list is Power BI embedding. Power BI embedding allows developers to integrate Power BI content into custom applications or websites, providing seamless access to Power BI reports and dashboards within external applications. Power BI embedding extends the reach of Power BI content beyond the Power BI service, making it accessible to users within their existing workflows and applications. The next one in the list is Power BI API. Power BI API allows users to programmatically interact with Power BI service, enabling automation and customization of Power BI functionalities. Power BI API provides developers with the tools and resources they need to integrate into the Power BI capabilities into their custom applications, enabling them to build end-to-end BI solutions tailored to their specific requirements. So, in this comprehensive overview, we have dissected the architecture of Power BI, shedding the light on the crucial role each component plays in the data analytics and visualization process. Understanding this architecture is essential for harnessing the full potential of Power BI and unlocking the valuable insights from your data. Thank you for watching. In the next session, we'll be talking about the difference between Power BI, Tableau, and ClickView. Thank you.